Hello there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this lemon cheesecake candle. It looks like a real dessert, but it's actually made entirely from soy wax. Let me show you how exactly I made it. For this candle I'm going to need soy wax, 6% fragrance oil, candle dye, a silicone cake mold, and later we'll make lemon slices and leaves for decoration. To create a cheesecake base, I will first pour a thin layer of soy wax and I will let it cool. In the meantime, I will prepare the lemon slices and the leaves that I will use later on for decoration of the candle. Once the thin layer of wax has cooled, I break it into small crumbles and place them into the silicone mold to create the cheesecake base. Next, I melt more soy wax and add the fragrance oil. I slowly pour it over the crumble base, creating the creamy cheesecake layer. For the lemon layer, I add a small amount of yellow dye. Once the first layer cools slightly, I pour the lemon wax on top. Before it fully hardens, I insert a skewer so I can easily add the wick later. While the candle cools, I prepare the whipped wax frosting. I mix the wax until it becomes light and fluffy, almost like the whipped cream. Once the texture is right, I transfer it into a piping bag. Now it's time to decorate, and here you can leave your imagination flow and do it as you like. And here it is, a lemon cheesecake candle made entirely from soy wax. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Goodbye!